Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Enchanted Ways. I am Danielle, and this video is the fourth part in my second installment in my series on magic geared towards newbies, Cornerstones of Magic. So we've already discussed the importance of grounding and protecting and cleansing and just talking about cornerstones and how I feel that they run along the lines of an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure and how you can avoid a lot of pitfalls. But I want to round out and end this installment with a bit of a disclaimer. Um, while cleansing is excellent, in fact, and it is something that should be done on a regular basis, too much cleansing can be a bad thing. And I want you to think of it in this way. So, sanitation. There's different levels of sanitation. You have sanitation where you cleanse something with soap and water and you're getting rid of some of the bacteria but not a lot. Then you have disinfection. Like when you put your salon tools in barbicide, that's disinfection. Using Lysol, that's disinfection. And then taking it one step further, that disinfection process gets rid of even more bacteria, a lot more bacteria, in fact. Sterilization gets rid of everything. So that's like when you put your salon tools in, I believe it's called an autoclave, and you have that UV light and it sterilizes and gets rid of everything. So we all know what happens in our bodies when we get rid of the good along with the bad. You create an imbalance. So this is why this particular part is titled Balancing Through Blessing, because while you're cleansing and getting rid of negativity and these low vibrations and frequencies, you want to make sure that you are also bringing in high vibrations, positivity, and things that you want. Don't just cleanse and not bring in blessings. Because you will begin to sour your home, sour your environment, your relationship, whatever it is that you've been over cleansing. You're going to sour that, and you don't want that to happen. So balance through blessing and draw in anything positive and high vibrational that you can think of. And don't just think of things in terms of material possessions that you want. Also think in terms of positive characteristics or attributes or personality traits or things that you want. Draw in wisdom, draw in discernment, draw in understanding, draw in compassion, common sense. You don't just have to draw in material things, but draw in something balanced, draw in luck. Just something generic, luck, positive experiences, favor, but draw in something balance through blessing. And I don't want to make this video too long because I've been making my videos a little longer than I wanted, but I do want to leave you all with this before I go. Something simple that you can do to draw in blessing. And if you are a coffee lover, this is going to be right up your alley. Every morning, if you choose to, you could just make a cup of coffee. Now we know that coffee is an amplifier, it's an accelerator. It speeds things and heat things up, gets things going faster than they normally would. So every morning can make you an enchanted cup of coffee and enchant that sugar, that coffee with whatever it is that you want to draw in to your life. It could be for just that day or for that week or whatever it is that you're working towards. Excuse me. So you could also add things in there. Now, me personally, I only like to add some milk to my coffee, but it's almond milk, so that's that protective element with the almonds, and then milk is luxury. Okay, so adding that element of wealth if I'm trying to actually draw in money or something like that with that particular cup of coffee. So think outside the box with what it is that you draw in, and think outside the box in terms of how you do things. That's something really inconspicuous that you can do. I know a lot of people are still in the broom closet and, don't feel comfortable doing spells out in the open or what have you. So that's something really, hidden in plain sight that you can do. That is a really powerful ritual. Drinking a cup of coffee. So, thanks for watching, guys, and thank you all to all of my new subscribers for subscribing. Welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscription button, click the notification bell, like, share, comment, and all of that jazz. And I'll see you for my next installment, Basics. Now, I'm not going to actually name it Basics because so many videos would end up falling under that, and I don't want to do that. So just stay tuned. We're going to be actually getting to the nitty gritty of spell work, breaking it down into categories, and wherever I can incorporate some actual demonstrations, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you all for your support and for watching.